Since few days, we have been facing heavy wind, followed by thunder shower in our place, due to which our pond was getting filled up with rainwater. We tried many other ways to prevent the water from getting into the pond, but nothing really worked. We were scared that the water might start overflowing from the pond, and so might the fishes. As this was the first rain of the season, and we all know that the first rain of the season carries a lot of undesirable elements like toxins, pollutants, parasites, bacteria, and fungi. And sometimes the rain carries particles of sands and clouding your water. There could be pH swing because rainwater is acidic, and a lot of other issues as well. So we decided to cover up the pond with a plastic sheet. However, some rainwater had already got into the pond before we could cover it up. We thought this might affect the fishes, but interestingly, we discovered something exciting the next morning. So keep watching till the end to see what we have found in the pond. Watched our videos on the making of this pond already seen that we have added some mollies into the pond, and for those of you who have not yet watched that video, you can have a look at that video attached at the top. Since my cute little mollies got more space and natural environment in the pond, they seemed to look happy. We caught some of them even chasing each other, which was an indication that they were wanting to mate. We have also found many snails that started living in our pond. We all know snails can be both good and bad for your pond ecosystem. Pond snails will eat some of the algae in the pond and keep the water clean. However, they also eat the live plants, which again is a negative point. Now, as the rain stopped, we decided to remove the cover from the pond to see if everything is okay. And fortunately, everything was fine. Now all of a sudden, my eyes caught some little creatures swimming in water. I was so excited to find out that these are the little fries of the mollies. Wow, that was a good news for us. Rain was indeed a blessing in disguise for us. One thing that everyone should consider before making pond is to make sure that the height of the pond is at least 6 to 10 inches higher than the ground level to avoid the rainwater from draining into the pond. As we are in a lockdown period, we could not collect stones, gravels and other necessary stuffs for making the necessary height of the pond. That we will do once the lockdown ends, and we'll update you soon. This was a small lesson for us, but concluded with a happy ending. So that's it, guys. This is the end of our video. We need your support to grow together. So shower your love and support by subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.